Hello, welcome back to Fluent Factory. My name is Sania, and today's question is from a member of our Fluent Champions community. His name is Ankit, and he has asked, Ma'am, how can I pause while speaking and talk smoothly without pressure? So, this is such a beautiful question because so many of us struggle with this silently. When we speak in English, especially in front of others, our brain goes into panic mode. We start thinking that what if I forget the word? What if I make a mistake? What will they think? And because of this fear, we start rushing our answers. We try to speak everything quickly just to finish it and get it over with. But you know what happens then? We forget words, we fumble, our breath gets tight, and our mind feels blank. Why that happens? Because we are not allowing ourselves to breathe and think while speaking. So here's the first thing I want you to remember. You are allowed to pause. Let me say that again. You are allowed to pause. Fluent speakers pause all the time. They speak one sentence, then pause, then continue. That pause doesn't make them look weak or forgetful. It makes them look calm, clear, and confident. So, what can you do to build that habit of pausing and speaking smoothly? Here are three real simple things I want you to try. Number one, start thinking in sentences and not paragraphs. Don't try to say the whole story in one breath. Just say one clear sentence, then take a pause, then breathe, then move to the next one. This gives your brain time to catch up, and the person listening will also understand you better. Number two, stop being afraid of silence. Most people fear pausing because they think they'll feel that I forgot something. Oh my God, they'll think that I'm not fluent enough, I'm not good enough. That's not true. That's just your fear talking. In reality, a calm 2-second pause actually makes you look more in control. It shows that you're not nervous, you are just thoughtful, you are thinking about your answer. Number three is practice reading or speaking out loud slowly. Take any small paragraph, maybe 4 to 5 lines, and speak it slowly. Pause naturally where commas or full stops come and train your mouth and brain to feel that rhythm whenever you're taking a pause, a short break without losing the fillers. And it's never about the speed, it's about the connection. When you are not rushing, you'll start enjoying the language. And when you enjoy it, you automatically become smoother, more expressive, and more confident. So the next time you speak, just remind yourself, I don't need to rush, I don't need to impress, and I just need to express. That's all from my side for today. Now, if you're someone who's overthinking every sentence in English and want to speak without any fear, join my free session. The link is in the description below. And if you want to enroll in my one-on-one personalized program and become a part of my exclusive Fluent Champions community, comment ready and I'll share all the details with you.